Meet the SketchPro, your all-in-one tool to personalize, craft, and create. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. From engraving bits to polishing tools, saw blades, stencils, and more. It's thoughtfully designed to bring your ideas to life. Lightweight and cordless, SketchPro features a powerful 3-speed motor delivering up to 18,000 RPM for smooth, precise control. Whether you're engraving, drilling, trimming, or detailing, there's a bit for every task. Just insert a bit, select your speed, and you're ready to go. The built-in LED light helps you see every detail, even on reflective surfaces like glass. With each smooth and precise stroke, your design comes to life, turning any surface into a completely custom creation. From glass and wood to metal, stone, and more, SketchPro works seamlessly across surfaces. Need to drill? Just swap the bit to add holes, depth, and dimension. Switch to the mini saw for clean cuts and quick trims. One tool, endless possibilities. Designed for makers, dreamers, and doers, SketchPro turns your ideas into something real.